Take a deep breath now. Breathing in light, love, optimism, happiness, and holding your breath filled with light and prana. And let go. Sinking instantly into your very center, into your heart. And watching your breath. Every in-breath, breathing in light, love, optimism, connection. And every out-breath, surrender, relax, let go. Bringing yourself into this now moment where nothing exists except your heartfelt desire to be of service to the planet and her people. Begin by visualizing, opening your inner mind to the millions of light workers and awakeners on your planet right now, doing this same meditation. See yourself as a point of light. See how the light emanates from this place where you are, in the room, in nature. See how you are literally a beacon of light. And open your inner vision to encompass all other points of light around the globe. In every city, in every country, on every continent, all around the world, there are these points of light, there are these beacons emanating light. Feel how all of you together are raising the frequency of Earth simply by feeling each other, visioning each other, allowing each other's light to come into your consciousness. And so we begin now, affirming out loud, understanding that you are truly creating a new timeline on your planet, that you are literally changing your world right now through trusting, believing, putting all of your heart into these desires. Out loud now. We, the awakeners on planet Earth, dissolve the coronavirus now. Open your heart in love and gratitude as you affirm this. Visualizing a wave of light around your planet. A wave of light and love moving around your planet, bringing it back into balance, bringing it back into peace. bringing people back into their hearts so that they may love once more as the fear dissolves. Affirming, we, the awakeners of Gaia, co-create the new earth now, based on love, kindness, and cooperation. And now we ask you to visualize a brilliant white light emanating at your command from the one source, from God, Goddess, from the cosmic central sun. This white light is the light of pure wisdom and intelligence. And it contains the essence, the power of the love of the Creator, the love of the one source, who has created all in existence. And this white light streams now from the one source out through the central points, the central suns of all galaxies in your universe. And you see this happening now. Like a sun radiating brilliant, healing, intelligent white light out and entering into the central suns of all galaxies. And now you open your inner vision above you. You open and see how this light is entering our own central sun, the heart of the Milky Way galaxy. And as it streams through the great central sun, healing, spreading love and light to every solar system in this galaxy, entering your solar system now. This light streaming through every planet, every moon. And you see how this light now is pouring down over planet Terra, planet Earth, your beloved Gaia. This light is radiating down now through all the people of your planet, through every human being, assisting in their awakening. Most of all, this love and light is dissolving fear on your planet now, dear ones. Dissolving the fear that has been propagated. Dissolving fear that there is not enough, that there is scarcity on your planet. Dissolving the fear of death, the fear of illness, the fear of the virus. And we wish you to visualize every human being on your planet now opening in consciousness to a realization that all is not lost, The very opposite is true. This is a shift. This is a massive global shift of consciousness occurring right now, where human beings remember how to love each other as brothers and sisters of the light tribe, where the higher heart of all human beings wakes up now, a beautiful rose pink opening in the higher hearts of all on the planet, opening the ability to love one another unconditionally, to see the love and light in each other. Visualize, dear ones, that every single human on the planet now opens in consciousness to understand that it is through cooperation, that it is through helping, loving, assisting each other, that the world is healed now. Letting go of the masks, letting go of the boundaries, and most of all, letting go of the fear. Affirming now, we, the awakeners, are fearless warriors of the light. We, the awakeners, use love and kindness as our tools of healing. We, the awakeners, choose to be of service to our tribe and planet now. And this is our greatest joy. We embrace change. For right now, dear ones, your only choice is to embrace the changes that are happening on your planet now with joy, with open heart, with excitement at what is to come. For right now, right this moment, you are changing the reality of all that is. You are shifting the timeline of your planet into the most positive possible reality. It is you who are achieving this. You are powerful creators. And you are remembering how to join as a tribe. Right now, once again opening your inner vision to see and feel each other across the globe. Feel and see each other as beacons of light in all cities, all countries, all continents across the globe. Feel each other as points of light and watch how the wave of light that flows around your planet now opens the consciousness of all human beings, heals all misperceptions around lack, around fear, around illness, around separation. This is it. This is the moment that you have been waiting for. This is the dawning of the age of Aquarius, the co-creation of the new earth, the new golden age, where your societies are based on love, kindness, and cooperation. And so it is. And so it is. Namaste.